Hello guys, welcome to my channel Sin Science. Palaku. Today we will understand the remaining part of our lesson, body movements. The topic is gait of animals. What does it mean? जानवरों की चाल. Have you seen an earthworm? Get an earthworm moving somewhere, lift it from there. Put it on the surface of a paper. Minutely watch the movements. Now again, lift it and put it on the sheet of a glass. Now again, you have to watch the movements of the earthworm. On the slippery surface such as glass, it is very difficult to move over that for an earthworm. The body of an earthworm is made up of many rings joined end to end. न जाने कितने असंख्य इसके शरीर के ऊपर छल्ले से बने हुए दिखाई देते हैं जो एक दूसरे से जुड़े हुए लगते हैं. During movement, the earthworm first extends the front part of the body. पहले ये क्या करता है, अपने पिछले भाग को रोक देता है, चिपका देता है एक जगह पर, अपने आगे हिस्से को आगे बढ़ाता है. Then after that, अपना अगला हिस्सा, अपने शरीर का अगला हिस्सा फिक्स कर देता है ग्राउंड पर and releases the rear end, और अपना पिछला हिस्सा ढीला छोड़कर आगे की ओर खींचता है. It repeats it again and again and again, and in this way an earthworm moves. So we can say the movement of an earthworm is taking place due to the contraction and expansion of the body. The body of an earthworm is slippery. ये अपने शरीर से एक चिपचिपा सा पदार्थ छोड़ता है जिसकी वजह से ये हमेशा काफ़ी नमी सी पाता है अपनी त्वचा पर, and this thing helps to one earthworm to move. पढ़ाकू. Earthworm is having numerous bristles under its body जो इसको मदद करते हैं आगे चलने में. These bristles are connected with muscles of the earthworm. By taking help of these numerous bristles, earthworm gets a good grip over the ground. क्या आप जानते हैं इसका भोजन क्या है? वही जहां ये रहता है, soil. It eats the soil and then its body throw away the undigested part of the material that it eats. शायद यही वजह है इनको किसानों का बहुत अच्छा दोस्त कहा जाता है. पढ़ाकू. शायद आपने बारिश के मौसम में अपने गार्डन में या कहीं और एक स्नेल को देखा होगा. Snail is having a rounded structure over its back, which is called shell of the snail. You can say this is a kind of outer skeleton or exoskeleton. Guys, shell does not provide any kind of support in movement. Let us start an activity. चलिए एक स्नेल को लेते हैं और उसको एक कांच की प्लेट पर रख देते हैं और उसके बाद we will observe now the movement of the snail. हम क्या देखते हैं? Thick structure which comes out from the inside of the shell. These are the foot made of strong muscles. Snail is also having wavy motion just like an earthworm. Our next creature is cockroach. मैं जानता हूं आधे से ज्यादा बच्चे तो इसके नाम को सुनकर उछल पड़ेंगे. Cockroaches can walk, climb, as well as can fly in the air. Having 3 pairs of legs, cockroaches also have exoskeleton. Palaku. Now we are going to talk about those creatures which are very beautiful, very decent, and most loving present in our surroundings. Can you guess? Now I am providing one clue, which fly in the air and walk on the ground as well as. Exactly, I am talking about the birds. उड़ना सीखना है तो चिड़ियों से सीखना है। लेकिन आप जानते हैं, these are very good swimmer too, such as ducks, swans, penguins, and so many other birds also. Birds are having very streamlined body, which is well suited for flying. Do you know why the weight of the birds is that much low, that much small, that much less? Just due to the hollow and light bones. Under the process of evolution, what is evolution we will talk later. The bony parts of the forelimbs has been modified as wings in the birds. हम यहाँ इतना समझ सकते हैं, समय के साथ में जंतुओं में होने वाले परिवर्तन को हम इवोल्यूशन कहते हैं. Birds are having very strong shoulder bones, whereas breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight which are used to move the wings up and down, up and down. Padhakuo, here we will perform another activity, and just to perform that activity we require a boat. Now I'll be thinking that from where you will bring the boat. I'm not talking about the wooden boat, I'm just talking about the boat made up of a paper. इतनी जल्दी परेशान नहीं हो जाना चाहिए. हाँ, मैं भी समझता हूँ आप इतनी बड़ी सी बोट कहाँ से लेकर आएंगे. Now let us put our boat in the water. हम इसको पानी में रख देते हैं. Then after that what will we do? We will start to drag it. हम इसको पानी में थोड़ा सा खींचते हैं, अपने हाथ से धक्का देते हैं, चलाने की कोशिश करते हैं, और क्या पाते हैं? Did it go into the water easily? Of course, yes. लेकिन अब एक काम करते हैं, हम इसको जरा इसकी साइड की तरफ, इसकी चौड़े वाले हिस्से की तरफ धक्का देते हैं और देखते हैं क्या ये आसानी से मूव कर पा रही है. आर यू दैट मच एबल टू मेक द बोट मूव इन वाटर व्हेन यू पुश इट फ्रॉम द साइड? क्या आप जब साइड से धक्का दे रहे हैं तो ये चला पा रहे हैं इसको पानी में? शायद नहीं. क्यों? वाई इट डज नॉट मूव दैट मच स्विफ्टली फ्रॉम द साइड्स? बिकॉज sides are not streamlined. Now question is this, what is the meaning of streamlined? आप देखते हैं ना, नाव आगे और पीछे से बिल्कुल नुकीली है, पतली सी है और बीच में काफी चौड़ी सी है. Such kind of shapes which are taper from both the ends and wide in between, that such kind of shape is called streamlined. पढ़ाकुओं, यहाँ हम लोग ये इस बोट की बात क्यों कर रहे हैं? वी वर टॉकिंग अबाउट द गेट ऑफ एनिमल्स. देन व्हाट इज द यूज टू डिस्कस अबाउट द मूवमेंट ऑफ अ बोट? आई थिंक यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दैट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट द क्वीन ऑफ द वाटर, जल की रानी मछली. Fishes are having such kind of shape which allow them to move easily in the water, and water can flow around the body of the fishes. Fishes are having very strong muscles over the skeleton. और अपने तैरने के दौरान muscles of the fish make the front part of the body curve to one side and the tail part swings towards the opposite side. So we can say left, right, and this thing provides a jerk and pushes the body forward, and this thing helps them to swim. Fins of the tail of the fishes also help them to swim easily. The other fins on the body help them to keep the balance, to keep the direction. So पढ़ाकू, यूं ही नहीं कहा जाता मछली जल की रानी है. Now let us talk about that creature which is having a very dancing gait, जिसकी चाली बल खाती होती है. Yes, these are the snakes, having a long backbone as well as many thin muscles. The backbone, ribs and skin, all these are interconnected. Have you noticed there are number of loops present in the body of the snakes? यही वो loops हैं. Each loop of the snake gives it a forward push by pressing against the ground. So, snake moves forward very fast, not in a straight line. So, Padaku, let us end to this session. Within very short span of time, we will be here to understand some different new topics. By the meantime, take care of yourself, take care of your family. Do not forget to subscribe the channel and like to the video.